Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here with a very quick message. Before we switch over to the explanation portion of this video and we let you know exactly what DFY Suite is and what it does and how it works, I want to preface this video by letting you know that if you're watching this video right now, then you are here during our special 3.0 grand opening. This means that since our initial opening roughly 18 months ago, we've been hard at work to ensure that we made our platform better, faster, and more powerful to deliver you even more results. And may we dare say that our 3.0 version is easily our best and more powerful version to date. In version 3.0, we've expanded our proven service to a global level. Yup, done for you rankings on a worldwide scale, and that's just one of the amazing features that we have for you in version 3.0. We'll talk about all the new features here in a few minutes. Plus, we've put together a very special, limited time discount offer during this 3.0 grand opening with some extremely valuable bonuses that you will not be able to get outside of this 3.0 grand opening. So stay tuned because I'll pop back up later on in this video and let you know about all the new features that we've implemented to continue making DFY Suite the best platform on the market for getting you page one rankings on a silver platter. Let's go ahead and switch over to the presentation. Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here, and first off I want to welcome you to this page. If you're on this page, there's a very high chance that you're looking for a better, faster, and easier way to get traffic, sales, and leads for your online business, right? If you're not, then I'm not sure how you ended up on this page, but you still might find something useful, so feel free to join us. Because on this page, you'll see how we've once again disrupted an entire sector when it comes to getting free, targeted traffic to your offers from the best traffic source on the planet, Google. Yep, I don't care what anyone says. Google is still the undisputed king of delivering the best, most targeted, and highest converting traffic than any other source out there. Think about it for a second. Getting traffic from Google is the only source where users are coming to you. They're looking for a solution to a problem and typing in a keyword into a search box and landing on your video or niche site which provides the solution they're looking for. You're not trying to capture their attention. You're not having to use fancy ad copy or ad images. You're just ensuring that your content is in the right place at the right time when they perform that keyword search in Google. And on this page, we're going to show you exactly how you can ensure that your content is the one that shows up first in Google so that you could be the one that captures the traffic and sales from those searches. And to make it even better, we're also going to show you how we're going to do all the grunt work for you as well. So if you'd like to get page one rankings like this, and this, and this, and turn them into profit like this, and this, and this, then you're on the right page because we've been doing that successfully since 2012 and we've gotten pretty good at automating our entire process, which is what we're here to talk about today. My promise to you on this page is to show you exactly how to get your sites and videos ranked on page one of Google by leveraging our new high quality DFY social syndication system. Yup. Quality syndication that delivers page one rankings on a silver platter. But at the same time, I'm not going to waste any of your time. I'm not going to bore you with some long, useless sales letter story. We're all busy, right? And I want to respect your time, which is why we built a DFY system in the first place. So let's just cut right to the chase. Deal? If you'd like to know exactly how to start exploiting Google to get as much traffic, leads, and sales as you'd like, then you'll want to pay very close attention to this page. Because on this page, I have something very special to share with you. But before we get into that, I have a very quick lesson to share with you. If there's one thing I've learned in my years of marketing online, it's that websites and videos without traffic mean nothing. And websites and videos without quality social syndication get nowhere when it comes to getting free targeted traffic from Google. You can have the most beautiful website on all the internet, and you can have the most beautiful and perfectly animated videos with the perfect sales message and amazing graphics. However, if these web properties aren't being seen by people that are going to pull out their credit cards and buy something, they're absolutely useless, right? And no fancy page builder, video editor, or video creation software can change that. So we worked overtime to develop, perfect, and deliver the key thing that was missing from 99% of people's websites and video marketing, which is getting traffic and generating a profit without doing any of the boring grunt work yourself. And that's what our new platform DFY Suite is beautifully built to do. We've built a very powerful DFY syndication service that allows you to get as much page one rankings and free traffic as you'd like. And here's the big secret. Having a high quality and proven social syndication system in your arsenal is the secret to getting long-term rankings, traffic, and sales. I don't care what anyone says. You can do all the keyword research you want. You can create the most eye-catching videos you want. You can optimize your content to the max. But if you don't have a strong syndication system, you will never be able to truly get traffic, sales, and leads from the search engines, let alone be able to compete with the big boys. However, there's one major problem when it comes to leveraging social syndication. For the most part, for you to be able to use the power of social syndication in your business, you need to buy a complicated software that you install on your computer or use from the cloud. You need to learn how to use that piece of software, and let's hope it's not too complicated and or has 50 or more tutorial videos that you need to watch. You need to create your own social accounts to input into that software to start using it. Sometimes this alone can take you 1 to 2 days to complete. Very annoying. You most likely need to purchase proxies and captchas so you can ensure you get a high success rate of syndication. This can easily start adding up to $40 or $50 per month, and they rarely ever tell you this before you purchase. You have to hope that your social accounts do not get shut down for abuse, which will require you to create even more accounts. You'll have to constantly write content to be submitted with your campaigns and much more. Although these third-party software applications can be very effective and powerful, it requires a lot of time and effort on your part to make it work. That's why we decided to simplify the entire social syndication arena into a 3-step process. With our new platform, all you have to do is log into our web-based portal, submit your keywords and URL, and hit submit. Yup, that's it. From there, our system will get to work and build you hundreds of high-quality syndication links to your content. No software to install, no software training to learn, no social account creation needed, no content needed on your part, no proxies or captchas needed. Nothing is needed but your keywords and URL. Allow me to introduce you to Done4You Suite. Done4You Suite is our new Done4You social syndication system that allows you to dominate Google and YouTube without doing any of the work yourself. With Done4You Suite, you can submit any URL. It can be a video, a niche site, an Amazon page, an e-commerce store, anything. It's 100% done for you, so zero work is required on your part once you submit your keywords and URL. You can schedule how fast or how slow you want your syndication to be done. You can supply the content if you'd like. This is 100% optional. You can let our system generate the content for your campaigns for you. You'll have full access to your syndication report once it's been completed, and much more. Hey guys, I'm back. And as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, you are here during our 3.0 grand opening, which means better features, a better platform, and better results for our users. But what exactly is new in 3.0? In version 3.0, we now have 5 times the number of sites in our network, 5 times the authority, 5 times the ranking power. Yup, since our initial launch back in 2018, we have more than 5x the number of sites in our network that we'll be using to syndicate your content on. But not just 5 times the sites, we've also 5x'd the authority. We have spent countless hours and thousands of dollars sifting through the best of the best sites that have high domain and page authority to ensure that you're getting the best quality syndication. This all pretty much means you now have 5 times the ranking power version 3.0 with our massively expanded network. We also have Done4You rankings on a global level with our worldwide language support. One of our most requested features has been deployed in version 3.0. Done4You Suite is now the leading provider for Done4You rankings via quality social syndication on a global level with support in all the major languages around the world. Yes, you heard that correctly. We now cover every language you can think of, so you can get page 1 rankings regardless of where you are in the world. We might be the first and only platform to offer quality social syndication that is 100% done for you and supports all languages around the world. We have totally revamped our server setup to include IPs from all over the world to supercharge our new worldwide ranking power. Yup, we couldn't have just opened up our worldwide language support without ensuring that our servers were set up correctly too, right? So in version 3.0, we supercharged our server setup to include IPs from all over the world as well. This solidifies us as the leading provider of Done4You rankings on a global level. When we can offer rankings in different languages with server IPs from all over the world as well, that's when Google really starts to drool over your campaigns. And if you have no idea what this means, don't worry because it's all done for you. We have totally revamped our content generation system, which is now powered by real artificial intelligence, so you get more relevancy for each of your campaigns so that you can get even more ranking power. When it comes to ranking your content on page 1, the two most important things that help you get there is quality syndication and quality content. And since we also handle the content that we use in your syndication, we wanted to ensure that we use the best quality content we can produce. So we spent a ton of time revamping our content generation system for the second time to ensure that you get the best content so that all your campaigns have maximum ranking power with every campaign you submit. And yes, this is the second time we revamped our content system because we truly want to be the best done-for-you ranking solution on the market. This time around, our content generation is powered by real artificial intelligence. Yup, we've tapped into our Create software to be the backbone of our content system, so you now get totally unique content for every campaign we syndicate for you. We now have triple the platforms, triple the variation, triple the speed of rankings with the inclusion of our own private PBN. Not only have we 5x'd our network since our initial launch in 2018, we've also tripled the type of platforms that we'll be syndicating your content on. In 1.0, we started with social bookmarks and wiki sites, which are easily the most powerful type of syndication you can do to rank your content on page 1. In 2.0, we added blogging and Web 2.0 syndication into our network. Having a well-balanced syndication profile is extremely powerful for ranking your content, and we are taking care of this for you to supercharge the speed in which your rankings get to page 1. And now in 3.0, we've created our own private blog network as well to include some of our best authority domains. These are domains that you'd easily have to pay $50 to $60 per month to get just one link posted on them. Talk about awesome, right? In 3.0, you're also getting a full breakdown of our network authority, so you always know the firepower that you have at your fingertips. Are you actually doing quality syndication? That is the big concern of many of our users, and it's a valid one. Many people that do done-for-you syndication and backlinking are just building you crappy links. We wanted you to feel 100% confident in the service we are providing for you, so we published a full breakdown of our entire network's authority so you always know the amount of firepower you have at your fingertips. You'll be able to see how much domain authority we have, how much page authority, and exactly the TLDs that we use in our system as well. Plus, this is always kept up to date anytime we add new sites to our network. And of course, you still get access to our automatic done-for-you video embeds feature for even faster video rankings from our version 2.0 launch. We all know that syndicating your videos is only part of the battle, right? Ensuring that you can get quality video embeds is the secret sauce that all top video marketers deploy to really get some fast video rankings. The more quality video embeds you can get, the better. However, embedding your videos across different sites can be very time consuming. So why not just let us do that for you as well? With DFY Suite 3.0, we're also going to include this with your purchase today, so we can do all of your video embeds for you as well. All you have to do is input your video URL and we take it from there. Plus, you also get a ton of other behind-the-scene tweaks that we've made to our overall system to ensure that we have the best, the fastest, and the most effective done-for-you syndication system on the planet. These are the little improvements like upgrading our overall server for maximum speed of your submissions, improving our campaign processing system to ensure that we complete your campaigns on time, a much more improved campaign reporting and downloading system in case you're providing reports to your clients, and much more. As you can see, we have not cut any corners with the improvements we've released in our 3.0 grand opening. Anytime we release a new update, it's because we've actually made our platform better, faster, and easier for our customers to get results. This is literally the easiest system for getting page 1 rankings via the power of social syndication without having to do any of the work yourself. Plus, for a very limited time, we're going to be including our agency license with your purchase today. This means you'll be able to use DFY Suite for your client campaigns as well and keep 100% of the profit. You'll never have to do any social syndication yourself ever again. Leveraging the power of social syndication for yourself and for your clients will never be the same after you get DFY Suite. But Josh, how much is DFY Suite? That's probably what you're wondering at this point, right? Well, as you've probably guessed, DFY Suite is going to be a very hefty fee on a monthly basis since we will be doing all the work for you. We'll easily be charging between $97 to $297 per month depending on the level of package that you need. However, it is our grand opening, which means you get first dibs on what will be the most powerful and the go-to platform for high quality quality social syndication on the marketplace. And to celebrate, we're kicking things off with a very special charter members blowout sale. But not just that, we're also going to include these limited time launch bonuses as well. Bonus number 1 is agency rights to Done For You Suite. This is easily a $197 value. This powerful bonus opens up a whole new world of possibilities and profit for your business. You'll not only have a powerful system on your side to rank your own niche sites and or videos, you'll also be able to confidently rank your clients' websites and videos as well. Imagine how much more confident you can be to collect that monthly recurring check from your clients when you know you have Done For You Suite in your corner. Bonus number 2 is our keyword bootcamp training, which is easily a $37 value. We all know that proper keyword research is the foundation of any successful search engine campaign. Get your keyword research wrong from the start and your campaign is doomed to fail from the very beginning. There's nothing Done For You Suite can do for you if you get this step wrong. So we decided to include this training so you know exactly how to pick the right keywords to get the best results. Bonus number 3 is our live client attraction bonus training. This is easily a $197 value. Since you're getting agency rights, it's only natural that we put together a powerful training that reveals exactly how to find clients that are ready to pay you, right? This training will cover all of that. Bonus number 4 is our perfect optimization blueprint. This is a $37 value. Just like doing the right keyword research is vital to your campaigns, ensuring that your optimization is right is just as important. So we decided to also put together a training on exactly how to properly optimize your campaigns to ensure you get the best results with Done For You Suite. And bonus number 5 is a hands-on live training session specifically for Done For You Suite. This is again a $197 value. Not only are we going to put together a live session showing you how to get clients to profit from with Done For You Suite, we're also going to put together a second and complete hands-on training on exactly how to use Done For You Suite as well. We already have full tutorial videos in the members area, but we know that our members like to have that personal attention that you get from a live session. Talk about some awesome bonuses, right? Yeah, we think so too. Plus, we have a 100% risk-free guarantee so you can have full confidence in joining Done For You Suite today. However, before you do any of that, I want you to go below this video, check out the case study and demo video, learn about all the amazing features built into Done For You Suite, and once you're done with that, choose the package that's right for you. We can't wait to see you in the members area.